Welcome to our dining overview of Cunard aboard Queen Anne. My name is Jackie and I am CEO of Prince Adventures, a Canadian travel agency. We are sailing the inaugural 2025 World Cruise aboard Queen Anne from San Francisco to Southampton. We are in Britannia class. We have yet to experience high tea in the Queen's Room, but this is something we will do in the future. There are 4 specialty dining options available to purchase at an additional cost, currently ranging from $20 to $65 per person. Here is a brief tour of Ajiwa, the Japanese and Asian dishes, where we have yet to dine. Secondly, a walkthrough of Tremonto, the Mediterranean option with mostly fish entrees. It's worth noting that all specialty dining venues are small venues, so it's worth booking your reservations in advance to guarantee space. So far in our sailing, they have not been overly packed, but you would hate to miss out if you had wanted to try them all. Recently, we dined at Aria, the Indian restaurant, and we enjoyed a 3-course dinner for $35 per person. Here I share with you a complete walkthrough of the food menu at Aria. Like every cruise ship we've been on, it was an interesting experience and we're happy to have had it. Everything was flavorful, came out promptly, served in a cozy setting, and there's always room for improvement. Nicely positioned at the aft of the ship, high above the panorama pool deck with nice views. On our long voyage, we are spreading out the specialty dining venues, and we will visit Sir Samuel's on a future sea day. Subscribe to our channel to watch our upcoming next dining overview of the Queen Anne, where we have visited this sure-to-be favorite restaurant. It's a beautiful venue with great seating, spacious areas, and a nice bar for having a pre-dinner cocktail. The Artisans Food Hall serves as a ship's buffet available for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, as well as late-night snacking. The chef-attended stations are unique, and food is prepared and served to you. You do not help yourself to dishes. It does take longer to be served if you come during peak times, so we aim to have lunch at around or at the opening time. There are everyday dishes on offer like cooked-to-order pasta, fish and chips, and pizza, and then rotating dishes like Thai satay skewers, falafel wraps, or sandwiches of the day. The salad station provides pre-made mixed bowls, or you can customize your own bowl of salad. One thing we want to share with you about Cunard is the beverages on board are all at an additional cost. You can buy a package for soft drinks or drinks with alcohol. In the buffet, the complimentary drink offerings include tea, coffee, self-serve juices, and milk complete with accompaniments. Here we hope to showcase an overview of the menus, dishes, and experience dining in the Britannia main dining room. Your daily menu is presented in advance of breakfast, lunch, and dinner outside on Deck 2 dining room entrance, so you can preview the offerings. We have upper seating on Deck 3, which means we can dine at any time and book daily reservations optionally for our preferred time between 5:30 and 9 p.m. The seating is flexible and we prefer it. We sit at a different table each night and they take requests, and as you can see, we like sitting on our own at the rail if we can snag one of these tables. This flexible dining is complimentary in your cruise fare when booking Britannia in an inside, ocean view, or balcony stateroom. See our stateroom tour video linked below. Pause the video if you'd like to read any specific menu. We've dined here for dinner most nights and so far find the service prompt and reasonable enough. We feel the menu is elevated on gala nights and therefore recommend you book your specialty dining on smart attire evenings, not on a gala night, in order to maximize the upgraded complimentary options. The bakery and pastry dishes and desserts have been especially enjoyable. Outside in the pavilion, there is poolside dining upstairs on Deck 10 at the Wellness Cafe. It is a spacious venue where you pre-order at the window and are given a buzzer to come and collect your selections when they are ready. We have enjoyed light breakfasts out here, and the triple berry smoothies available for purchase are included in our World of Drinks Unlimited package. The venue is beautiful and the retractable roof is either open or closed depending on weather conditions. The dishes are petite in serving size, and you can also customize your own bowl. Lunch is also available daily at the Wellness Cafe with healthy options including salads. There is a wellness bar serving all sorts of drinks including kombucha or low or no alcohol cocktails along with a full menu of drink choices. The conventional poolside grill is also available below on Deck 9. More on that venue in our next video. Inside at the Golden Lion on Deck 2, you can see the everyday menu with complimentary inclusions or other dishes available for a nominal charge. There are good daily features which are included complimentary as well. Service is fast in this venue and it is the location for daily quiz and trivia games. Above the purser's office, Britannia Club on Deck 2 is an intimate venue serving the same dishes as the Britannia main dining room with set tables and open time seating. Our travel agency helps you get the best price, inclusions, and provides quality recommendations for your next cruise, vacation, or world cruise. Please reach out by email, travel@princeadventures.com. Thanks for watching.